Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to uncover the double VWAP secrets, a unique strategy that combines the volume weighted average price and the Heiken Ashi candles to refine your entries and exits. You would learn how to apply this method step by step and improve your precision in trading. So stay tuned until the very end. We start by understanding what the double VWAP and the Heiken strategy is. And this strategy combines two unique tools to help you better understand the trend and price movement, which is the VWAP tool, and this is an indicator that calculates the average price of an asset based on volume, revealing dynamic support and resistance level. It is widely used by institutional traders to identify areas where buyers and sellers are concentrated. So by using two VWAP lines, one short-term trend and the other broader market context, you can gain a valuable insight into price action. While the Heiken Ashi, on the other hand, are designed to filter out market noise and provide a smoother view of trend. Unlike your traditional candlestick, your Heiken Ashi are calculated using averages, making it easier to spot bullish and bearish momentum. For example, green Heiken Ashi candles without lower shadow indicate strong uptrend, while red candles without upper shadows signify strong trend. So how do we use the double VWAP secret trading strategy? We begin by adding two VWAP indicators, one a short term to track the intraday trend and other a long term time frame to capture overall market trend, which we can see on our screen. We overlay this with our Heiken Ashi candlestick to filter out noise and make trend analysis more straightforward. This setup creates a clearer framework for identifying trend opportunities. And this is our Heiken Ashi combined with our two VWAP indicators. For a long trade, you start by observing price action around the short-term VWAP. You are looking for price to pull back to the VWAP line while maintaining alignment with the long-term line. This blue line is the short-term VWAP line. So once price pull back to the short-term VWAP line for a long trade, you would want to enter your long position because it indicates an upward bias. Once price reaches a short-term VWAP, check for the Heiken candlestick for confirmation. A green candle with no long no long shadow signals a bullish momentum and can serve as an entry trigger. So at this area, after the retest of the short-term VWAP, we would look for a green candle without a lower wick. This is our entry signal at that area. This is where you want to enter your trade. You have to place your stop loss just below the short-term VWAP line or a recent swing low to manage your risk effectively. Now for your target, you aim for a key resistance level, or monitor the Heiken Ashi candle for signs of weakness in momentum, such as small candle bodies or shadow appearing in both ends. This can signal weakness. So this will be an area to exit the market. Or you can just aim for a previous resistance region in the market, which we would have to go far back in time to look for these levels, and this would be a good level. Now for short trades, follow a similar process, But in reverse, you watch out for price to retrace back to the short term VWAP while staying below the long term VWAP. Price is already below the long term VWAP, this red VWAP line already. We wait for price to come back to the short term VWAP to retest, and price retested at that area. This will be a good opportunity for you to enter your short term trade after your confirmation of your red VWAP candle without an upper wick. You enter at that area, you set your stop loss just above the recent swing high or above your short term VWAP signal, swing high or the short term VWAP line. This is where you set your stop loss, and you target near a support region. This can be your targeted area. This is a previous support region. You can target this area for your take profit, which will give us a 1:1.6 risk to reward. Now you can also exit your trade when you see a sign of reversal showing on your Heiken Ashi candle, such as small body or shadow forming on both sides. This can be a signal for you to exit your trade. Now this strategy works best when you maintain patience and wait for all conditions to align before entering a trade. So by combining the precision of the double VWAP level with the clarity of the Heiken Ashi candle, you can approach both long and short trades with great confidence and structure. Now let's look for another trade we can enter using this strategy. First of all, for a short trade, we'll wait for price to be below the long term VWAP line, this red line at this area. We wait for price to break below and come back to retest our short term VWAP line, which is this blue line, and price retested at this area. We wait to see a bearish candle closing below. This is where you would want to enter your trade. At this area, you place your stop loss just above your VWAP line or below or above your swing high, your last swing high area. Now you aim for your profit target using, you can use a previous support region, a previous support area in price, or you can just basically aim for areas where the moment you see signs of reversal, long wicks or wicks on both sides, you would want to exit your trade. This is basically how you can capitalize on this strategy. Remember, before you first decide to take this trade, a short trade, price must be trading below your long-term VWAP line and your short-term VWAP line. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.